Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install a Linux distro called Pop! OS. Pop! OS is an Ubuntu Linux-based derivative developed and created by American computer manufacturer System 76 for its lines of hardware devices. Since its inception, the Pop! OS team has had a different take on custom Ubuntu and the default GNOME desktop. However, in the latest releases, massive changes have been made to the basic design of the GNOME desktop to modernize itself, moving away from the days of GNOME 3.38. The recently released GNOME 43 is a testament to that. Major changes include completing the GTK4 and libadwaita port, improving mutter tweaks, and creating a newly designed UI in quick settings and files. The very useful auto-tiling in the GNOME desktop works by default. Those who have experienced tiling will never go back to non-tiling mode. It helps efficiently organize your work with open windows and ultimately saves time. Pop! OS auto-tiling takes care of this by default. Again, excessive splitting of windows can create problems with smaller screens. To counter this, Pop! OS also offers automatic stacking of window features. It makes your windows stay on top of each other and you can easily stack or unstack them with simple keyboard shortcuts. Speaking of keyboard shortcuts, the GNOME desktop in Pop! OS is well matched with keyboard shortcuts for moving, resizing windows, quick searching, and launching applications. The workspace and switcher are easy to use with a vertical menu. This allows you easy access whenever you want to peruse your workspaces and open applications. The main dock is nicely placed at the bottom with usable default shortcuts. Settings offer several customization options to change the behavior and appearance of the dock. Built-in options include no dock, extended dock, and compact dock. All of these options are available without the need to install any GNOME extensions. The global launcher in Pop! OS is a KDE Crunner TEEP search. It can be started with a super key at any point in the workflow. You can search any app and launch it directly without visiting the application menu. Now for the security and privacy aspects, Pop! OS supports full disk encryption via the installer. When installing Pop! OS, it gives you the option to encrypt your entire drive. And you can enable a boot password in Pop! OS. It is the only Linux distribution that allows full disk encryption by default. Pop! OS doesn't collect much of your usage data beyond just hardware and operating system information. To summarize, Pop! OS may be the most stable and usable Ubuntu-based distribution today. See you next video, and now some music.